Hello guys, I'm Mark and I'm going to be singing a song called Imagine by John Lennon. I chose this song because it has a really powerful message considering the present time, so here it goes. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Ooh. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday